Hi everyone, my name is Natalie Lamb. I'm National Water Industry Account Manager at QCL, and I'm here today joining you from QCL head office in the labs to talk you through SENTRY and the SENTRY control panel, how to connect it and how to get it set up. Thanks for joining me in my video today. Step 1 is to double check that the control panel and probes match up. So what you're doing is you're checking the serial numbers on the wires, on the control panel sticker, and on the personalised configuration details pack. Step number 2 is to connect the wires from the control panel to the probes. So first up, remove the dust caps from the wires, line up the red dots and twist the plugs to connect. There should be a slight click. Step 3 is to plug in the control panel with a US to UK plug. You'll see the display on the controller showing a countdown of the Wi-Fi starting up. It might take a little while for the start Wi-Fi to reach 100%. Now for step 4, we're switching over to a computer or a laptop. Using the Wi-Fi settings, connect to the control panel as a source of Wi-Fi, the same as you connect to your Wi-Fi box at home. The password is Island Watertech, no spaces, all lowercase. Step 5 is using a browser to type in an IP address, which will be on the screen, where XXX is the last 3 digits of the control panel serial number, but ignore any zeros coming before them. A page will come up when you type in the IP address. The password will be Island Watertech, no spaces, all lowercase. Step 6 is to click Scan under the repeater heading. When doing this, just double check that your computer is still connected to the control panel as Wi-Fi and not to a Wi-Fi hotspot. When you do this, a new screen will load showing the Wi-Fi connection progress. Wait for the bar to progress to 100%. On the page that comes up, enter your normal Wi-Fi connections, the details that you would normally use to connect this computer or laptop to the internet. When this is done, you can give it a practice by loading any website. This will allow you to double check to make sure that you're getting a Wi-Fi connection from the control panel's MiFi box. The very last step in the process is to go to the SENTRY dashboard, the website, to see if the probe is recording. The username and password for that probe will be on the front of the supplied pack in the personalised configuration details. You have now successfully connected a control panel and probes using Wi-Fi. Thanks very much for joining me today on my video about SENTRY coming from QCL and Natalie Lamb.